Hey guys, Lance Sherman here with the Lance Sherman Real Estate Group in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. I want to welcome you to our newest listing, 9749 Wildflower Vista. It's in the heart of Skye Canyon. Come on inside, let's take a tour. This oversized island perfectly complements modern, open concept living. At just over 3,500 square feet, this stunning home features all 4 bedrooms upstairs. 2 of them have ensuite bathrooms. There's even a great loft here. Outdoors, we have the Pebble Tec Pool with both water and fire features, outdoor kitchen, covered patio, and stunning mountain views. In addition to being the listing agent, I'm also a resident of Skye Canyon Master Plan Community. I chose Skye Canyon for the mountain views, close proximity to Mount Charleston, as well as Summerlin. I'm only 25 minutes to the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. I love living in Skye Canyon, and I know you will too.